3 years ago, Oliver said to me at Christmas, "Mama, I'm inviting a friend to Christmas." And then he said, "Mama, it's a girl."
Pred 3 rokmi, pred Vianocami, mi Oliver povedal, že mama, zavolám si kamarátku, ak môžem. Všetci viete, že u mňa je úplne každý vítaný, ale potom ešte dodal, je to špeciálna kamarátka.
I, Oliver, take you, Martina, to be my lawful wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish, till death do us part.
Sweet spot, I'm feeling good. The sun is shining, I knew it would. The world's a playground, I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out, I'm gonna light it up, yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out, I'm gonna light it up, yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out, I'm gonna light it up, yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about.
Dobrý večer, Riešek. A vítam sa posledný krát. Hlavku sťať, alebo vienok sňať.
I'll get you moving, it's what I do. The party's starting, it's going down. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.